What's up, everyone? It's Hey John. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and today I will be talking about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and let's get to it. Before we start though, folks, if you're new, please make sure you subscribe and notify and hit the like button because YouTube likes it when you do that. So let's get to it now. BlockFi. Why should you use BlockFi? Because BlockFi, if you use my link for BlockFi down below, it is a phenomenal product, and the reason why it's phenomenal is because you can get a Visa signature card and you can get 3.5% APR on every single transaction. What does that mean? Is that you get 3.5% per dollar for every transaction, folks, and you get it in not US dollars but in Bitcoin, our beloved cryptocurrency. With those Bitcoins you get from those transactions, you can also gain interest on those Bitcoins in the BlockFi account. So it's a win-win. Yes, you get 3.5% on every transaction and you get interest on the Bitcoins you accumulate. So it's a win-win, folks. Use my link down below, blockfi.com/heyjohn. Let's get to the news now. Dogecoin. What is going on with Dogecoin? Well, Dogecoin has been trading sideways for the longest time because there hasn't been a lot going on. Frankly to say, that's pretty much it, but I've seen some pretty good news for Dogecoin. AMC, as you know, is a movie theater company, and they have now accepted Dogecoin as a form of payment through a gift card. And that is pretty cool because you can use Dogecoins to buy a gift card to go into AMC and get their tickets and concession stands and all that kind of fun stuff right there. So that's pretty cool, and that's pretty big news for Dogecoin. Of course, with that being said, leave me a comment down below if you are using your Dogecoins to transact into AMC to get some tickets here. I want to know, so leave me a comment down below of how the process was for you and what your experience was like. And the reason why we want to share these comments is because we want other folks to know how it is so we can spread the word. Just because it's news doesn't mean every single Dogecoin hodler knows, right? For example, on Reddit/r/Dogecoin, there's a like 2 million users now or 3 million users. I forget exactly, but there's a lot of users though. So even though you see these videos here, it doesn't encapsulate every single person here. So we all need to do our part and share this information here. Today, I want to cover the Dogecoin chart specifically because I see a huge move coming and you want to be aware of it so you know what to do. So let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are covering the Dogecoin charts now. So what do I see here? I see the 200-day moving average still in an upward trajectory. So we are still in a long-term bull market. This is of course in the daily time perspective. However, though, we did see a bearish cross on October 3rd, 2021, usually indicating that we're going to see a downward price pressure. But the thing is that I'm going to show you something that's very bullish and conflicting with this. And this is going to be, in my opinion, a short-term reaction. And I believe long-term, it's going to have great impact on Dogecoin. Currently, we're using the 100-day moving average as a sort of a support here at around 2404. And the reason why this is significant is that because we use it for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now, nonstop, using that as a support line. And every time it pierces through 2404 and dips down, guess what? It gets bought up. The next day, it dips down, but the dip is smaller every single subsequent day. And now, we are finally just using the 2404 100-day moving average as a support line. No longer are we piercing through it significantly. Now, things are getting interesting. And now, let me show you what I see on the 4-hour time perspective that's going to blow your mind. And I believe that we're going to see a huge bull run coming. Let me explain to you right now what I see. So going into the 4-hour time frame here, the reason why I believe we are going to see a huge bull run, and of course this is purely from a technical perspective here, we're seeing the 50 MA cross a 200 MA, right? We did it yesterday on October 8th, 2021 at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay? We've crossed it right there. And more importantly, we're seeing the sticks trade above the 50 MA for 28 sticks currently. So basically, if we can do this for another 4 days or 5 days of trading above, currently I'd say 24.17 and above, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to see a very big bull run. But it'll happen in the next 4 to 5 days. Once that confirms, I believe we're going to go on the next big bull run. And this bull run is going to last, I would say, weeks, even possibly months, like last time. Of course, there's no guarantee, folks, because as you know, this is purely a technical perspective. And as you know, the charts are always evolving and they're always changing. And you need to be aware of what is going on. And that's kind of why I create these videos for you guys and gals, for you day traders, but for you investors such as me and myself here, right? I have not sold any of my Dogecoin. I have my Shiba coins, my Dogecoin, my Bitcoin, my Ethereum, my gold, my silver, my stocks. When I buy, I generally speaking do not sell because these are my long-term investments here. Do I day trade? In the past I did, but I don't do it anymore because of time constraints. And as you know, if you're like me, if you're an investor, you have a day job and you have family to attend to and you have other responsibilities. You can't sit here in front of a computer all day long day trading. If you can, hey, more power to you. But for the folks who can't, such as myself and the majority of folks who are in America working a full-time job, well, investing is the way to go. And of course, when you invest, you will make money. For case in point here, I have bought Shiba about 6 months ago. I was down about 50%, and now I'm up about 3x or 2x my money right now. So if you have patience and you believe in a project and you follow the fundamentals and you follow the charts, well, I'm going to say that you are setting yourself up for success here. So again, be patient, folks. Okay, we're going to need to see a 4 to 5 day consolidation around here. It'll still be boring, and then we will test 26.22. Okay, so let me go back into the day chart here. Okay, so 26.22 is going to be our resistance, and I believe in the next 4 to 5 days we will tap it and possibly break through it. When we break through it, we will go back to 29.08 and then 33.95. It may happen very fast and very soon, or it can be a slow consolidation phase. But what I see currently, though, for the past few days, October 4, October 5, and October 6 here, right? We are seeing a lot of trading volume here. 350 million, 417, 375. Literally about 1.2 billion Dogecoins traded in literally 3 days. And that is huge, folks. So I believe this weekend it'll be slow. It'll probably just trade sideways. But given, like I said, 4 to 5 days, so next week, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, look out for a move, folks. It may happen earlier or a little bit later, but around there. And usually the reason why I say around there is because these are charts and they are using buys and sells and volume as an indicator. And as you know, volume is a lagging indicator. It's not a future indicator. But of course, using some intuition and some technical analysis, you can sort of quote unquote predict the future, but it's pure speculation though. I want to make sure I am 100% transparent about it. It's not a guarantee, folks, whatsoever. So make sure you do your own due diligence. It's your boy, Hey John. Please subscribe and notify and like, so because YouTube likes that. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.